President, Chief Operating Officer Rick Murphy to begin.
Welcome everybody. This is one of my favorite events for the Valley Cats because it's the start of a new season. This will be our 15th anniversary season here in the Tri-Cities. And it's an opportunity for the people that are here today. You guys are the foundation of the Valley Cats. You're our season ticket holders. A lot of you have been here since day one, so we thank you for your continued support. I would be remiss if I didn't recognize our team president, Bill Gladstone, and his wife, Millie. They definitely have been here since day one. You'll see them right behind home plate. So, looking forward to seeing them again tomorrow night and opening night. On behalf of the front office, I would just like to thank the season ticket holders for your patience here tonight. The beer was cold, the lines were long, we'll get it right. I just want to thank you for your patience and your continued support throughout the season. We welcome 40 new players this year. And at this time, I'd like to turn it over to Matt Callahan, our general manager, to say a few words. Matt?
Thanks, Rick. Excited to see some familiar faces. Sometimes the off-season feels really long, and when we see some of you folks coming through the gate and coming into the park, you know that summer's here, and we all get to reconnect and spend the next 3 months together. So we're excited to see that. We're excited to see you. And I know most of all, you folks are excited to see these guys here. So
yeah, woo!
So with that, I just want to welcome everybody, and now I'm going to turn it over to our manager, Lamar Rogers. We can give him a big Valley Cats welcome, show him what he can expect.
Woo! Woo!
Vamos, gatos.
Vamos, gatos. Vamos, gatos.
Thank you, everyone. It's really a pleasure and a blessing to be here. I know the guys are excited and ready to get going tomorrow. It's my 24th season in professional baseball. I've been around for a minute, doing it for a little while. And if anything you guys can take from me is I enjoy the game. When we step across the line, it's going to be our goal and our commitment to put out a product out there that's going to play hard, go about it professionally. Is that better? Go about it professionally and do our very best for you every single day. The Houston Nationals are truly honored to be a part of the Tri-City community, and we're really grateful for this relationship, and we pray that it lasts and continues to be a huge success. With that in mind, on a personal note, this is my second year as a manager, my 24th year total. And last year we did have a lot of success. I know that you've all read about that. And it's been my pleasure to have a lot of the kids that were with me last year in Greenville as a part of this Tri-City team. Along with that, we do have a great number of players coming in as their first year in the professional draft, and they'll be introducing themselves here in a moment. But before we get to them, I also want to introduce my staff. We have Mr. Dylan Lawson, our hitting coach. Mr. Drew French, our pitching coach. And Danny Ortega, our coach. Danny's kind of our specialist. He can kind of do everything. He does a little bit of everything. All right, next I'd like to introduce we're going to have our players come up and introduce themselves one at a time. Tomorrow's starting pitcher is Hakeem Bostic.
Hey, I'm Hakeem Bostic. I'm from Florence, South Carolina, and I'm a right-handed pitcher.
I'm Carl Benedetti, outfield, first base, and I'm from Detroit, Michigan.
pitcher from Anaheim, California.
I'm Stephen Wren, outfielder from Marietta, Georgia. How you guys doing? My name is Daz Cameron, and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I'm an outfielder. I'm ready to go hard.
Hi, my name is Rodrigo Ayerza. I am from Panama. I am a multi player.
Hello, I'm Luis Ramirez. I'm from Venezuela, and I'm a left-handed pitcher.
Hi everyone, I'm Brett Adcock. I'm from Bay City, Michigan. I'm a left-handed pitcher.
Hey everyone, my name is Dustin Hunt. I'm a right-handed pitcher from Boston, Massachusetts.
Little favoritism right there, huh?
Hi, my people. My name is Marcos Almonte. I am Spirit. I'm from the Dominican Republic.
Hi, my name is Kevin Martier. I'm from Brooklyn, New York, and I'm a catcher.
Is Brooklyn in the house?
What's up, everybody? My name's Alex Lagodi. I'm from Miami, Florida, and I'm an infielder.
How's it going, everyone? My name's Colby Carpenter. I'm an infielder, and I'm from West Texas.
Hi, my name is Torres. I'm from Dominican Republic. I am right-handed pitcher. Hi, my name is Bradley Mejia. I'm a outfielder and I'm from Dominican Republic.
My name is Randy Cesar. I'm from Dominican Republic. I'm a third base.
Chucky Robinson from Danville, Illinois, and I catch.
Hi, my name is Framber Valdez. I'm from Dominican pitcher. Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel Bracamonte. I'm a catcher. I'm from Venezuela.
Hi, I'm Trevor James. I'm from Seattle, Washington, and I'm a first baseman.
As soon as I saw him, I nicknamed him Little Man.
Hi, my name is Luis Payano. I'm outfielder. I'm from Dominican Republic.
Hi, my name is Carlos Sierra. I'm from Cuba. I am a right-handed pitcher.
This is Enrique Chavez. He's from Mexico. He's a right-handed pitcher. And he's sick. That's why he can't play.
Catch what was going on.
Hi, my name is Jose Uribe. I am from Dominican Republic. I am a pitcher.
My name is Carlos Sandoval. I am from Panama. I'm right-handed pitcher.
Hi, my name is Erasmo Pinale. I'm from Dominican Republic. I am right-handed pitcher.
Hi, my name is Ricardo Castro. I'm from Mexico. I am pitcher.
Hi, my name is Ben Smith from Wichita Falls, Texas. I'm a left-hand pitcher.
I'm Austin Nicely, left-handed pitcher from Dallas, Virginia.
Sebastian Kise from Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm a left-handed pitcher.
I'm Dylan James from Las Cruces, New Mexico, and I'm also a right-handed pitcher.
Alrighty, that's your 2016 Valley Cats, guys.
Thank you, Lamar. The players will stick around for a little while. Pitchers, autographs. Season ticket holders, we're going to practice at 7 o'clock. You're more than welcome to stick around. Thank you very much, and we're going to have a great year. Go Cats!
Yeah! Woo! All the way! Woo! Perfect.